here, the fish. I've turned into a fish. I am Stormie Gamer. No, guys, I'm just kidding. That is Fang, our new fish. We actually just got him yesterday. Didn't we, Jessie? Well, I mean today. Yes, she's right. And that is our fish. Fang, where are you going, Fang? We sort of all agree on Fang because I actually like it now. Hey, come on, Fangy. Fang. Oops.
Did we order Fang?
No. Must have ran out of batteries, but whatever. Fang, come to the camera. Fang. Do you like your name? See, this is Stormie Gamer. Don't forget to comment down below how you like my new look. And you know I'm just lying because that is Fang, our new fish. Fang is now like our number one pet. Sorry guys, I'm just so excited. We got a new pet. Our parents only just told us today. And I'm actually going to get my own pet soon because next week I'm getting my own fish.
And we have 2 pets now.
So guys, as you see what I'm wearing, we're going to do a little fashion show.
Yeah, we're playing World High and I just went to the spa. And I'm actually still in the spa.
So this is our first design. I was just doing that, sorry guys. This is our first design. Oh, hi. Guys, should I say hi to the speaker? I'm wrecked.
What should I do now, Georgie? I see lunchtime's on. Lunchtime's on.
Wrecked.
Many people.
Hi, I'm wrecked. Does that help you? I'm wrecked. So guys, let's show off to this video. Woo! There I am. And I'm ready? Whoa, wait, let me. Ready? The runway. Stormie Gamer is the one. Jessie just fell in the pool. That's what she wanted to say to you guys.
I just fell in the spa. I didn't fall in the spa. I fell in the pool and I just went for a shower. And now my hair is naughty and I have to go back.
So guys, this is my next one is a little bit similar.
Yeah. The next one is very...
Oh, I still need to change the skirt. So ready for the fashion show? Close your eyes, guys. Ready? Open your eyes.
Georgie, are you even going to go in the proper game?
Ooh, no, it's a fashion show. It's on the fashion show. And then maybe I might go in the proper game at the end if I have time.
I'm not actually on the... You might just have heard X's granted. Because I went back to new school to get another
Guys, this is one of my favorite ones. I just love it. It's so cute. I sound a little bit weird when I say that.
And guys, comment down below if you play Wall High.
Yep, definitely. Sorry, boys. I'm not sure if you like this game, but I do. So you can't blame me for that.
Yeah, don't blame us.
Oh, I think I should
Blame
this one
us.
up.
I think don't blame us. Boys can like Wall High because they stop playing.
And I've got one more, and then we might do one more of our choice. It's cool. Okay, what's this one again? I forgot what all of
I'm
these
gonna
are.
get changed again.
I
Okay,
need
got
this one.
changed.
It's so cute. I'm not going to do a fashion show on this one because it's not very good. X and the last one. Yay, my favorite one. And we're going to head in to Royal High. My dog is a little bit tired today, so she was going to go on my YouTube channel. She's very, very, very extremely tired.
Yeah, very.
No, I don't want to go with that thingy. No!
Wait, I forgot my perfume. Why would I forget my perfume? I am ready to
I'm going to a friend's house, so this is only going to be like 15 minutes because I need to get ready. It's like my BFF.
you do YouTube videos?
I've got like 4 BFFs. I got Esther, Kaya, and Sophie, and Seven.
They're her school friends.
No, Seven isn't my school friend.
Yeah, but the rest are.
But guys, I actually don't know how to fly.
Wait, where are you? Oh, I'm there. I'm right there.
Oh, cool. I like flying.
Wait, how do I fly? Oh, wait. I just double click and I fly. That's a nice.
Let's go to Topler.
I got Chipler.
I can't join Jessie because someone's just joined her door.
Yeah, it's a boy. It's because I got a new boyfriend.
Yeah, the ball. Jessie was
Wait,
like,
no, you can join this one.
cool. I just joined that. Let's go in. I want the peak. It's my YouTube channel.
I want to ping.
You like?
Okay, well, at least I...
So guys, that's my room. I don't have enough for a bed yet, so.
La 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 la. Oh, I got a bed. I'm gonna chill.
That's my bed.
Chill.
Excuse me, it's my bed.
I'm chilling.
It's my bed, by the way. But I'm gonna go out and explore. Guys, I want to show you something that one of my friends did show me.
Guys, I think we might end up sharing a room. But
Sorry guys, I'm not used to flying. I hope you guys are.
I'm not used to flying. My boyfriend's looking at me and not how I'm meant to yet. Because I don't have my special bracelet on. Oh my gosh. Oh, he saw me. Wait, no, he didn't see me.
Ready guys? I've got some magic for you. Ready? Wait, no. So we're gonna dress up like fashion.
And I'm already dressed up for the Royal Balls. And I quite like my look. But I might have another look for to see.
Nature mermaid. Except I really need to change my hairstyle color. Hairstyle color will be
Pink.
this color. I like that color. The rings will just stay the same. But I really need to change the skirt. Like everybody can tell.
I don't really
Guys,
like.
these are all. Okay, sorry. These are all my rings. I like this one will be the best.
I like the ice. I like the second one best.
I want this one,
But I just these that I like this.
like usual. That is perfect. And now, guys, we're gonna go in the pool. That's Jessie. There's PE on. I didn't know. I'm gonna join. Woo! PE! I don't want to do PE.
Okay, I'm back, guys. I know you can't see me on screen. I'm back.
Look at my tail. It is so long, guys. My tail is so long.
You're the biggest in the family of Roblox. It is so
Guys, look at that tail.
Georgie, look at this. I'm not touching it. And look. Georgie, look. Seriously, I'm playing. Okay, that was very, crazy. Okay, I got another. I always play. This takes okay.
Guys, if you want to see Fang in our next video, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you want to see Fang in our next video.
By the way, guys, if you want to play a little hide with us, then just look for someone. If you want to play with me, then just look for someone who has Unicorn Jessie Jess. Because I'm Unicorn Jessie Jess, and I have no idea what Georgie's name is on Royal High, so she can.
I'm changing my name on Royal High.
So she'll change her name, and
I'm gonna get
and then you
changed.
can follow it in all, and then you can play with us if you follow us. So make sure you get on right now, and you can play Roll High with us.
Guys, pause this video right now. Subscribe to this video. Okay, cool. Hey, you didn't really need to come in, you know. You didn't really need to come.
By the way, we will probably get more boys.
Hi guys, don't forget to comment down below to my channel. Yay! Excuse me, it's not your channel, it's my channel. No, it's not your channel, it's my channel. What? It's my channel. Liar. Guys, don't listen to her. We're just gonna go over and do something.
It's raining, Georgie.
It's my channel. That was Fang's channel. Comment down below if you think it's Stormie the Lost Fire Princess or it's Little Fangy. Thinks he's the YouTuber here, or if it's actually really me. Or if it's my dog. Guys, in my next video, my dog is definitely going to be here. She went on like a 2-hour walk this morning. She's so tired. Fang, do you have something to say? Fang, do you have something to say? I don't know why, but I am so good at this. No, I don't know what I'm even saying. I just still can't believe we got a new doggy. No, sorry. I mean a new fish. Cause only for you guys, I'm gonna make something new though. No. I just get 2,000.
Okay, guys. I am playing in random, so I have no idea where I'm going. So I'm not looking, and I am not.
That is so pretty right now.
I have no idea where I'm going.
I'm getting so much lost.
Georgie, you won't believe this. I just went out of Wall High series. Because I was flying and I went
guys,
out.
don't forget to comment down below tonight's video. Hey.
Oh, my God.
Guys, it was Amy that was saying it was her. She's been the one being mean. She's the one.
My boyfriend's looking for me and I'm outside all dusty. Oh, I better go to the spot and then meet my boyfriend. He just called me. Wait, he didn't call me, but I just called him. He just randomly wandered around saying, "Where's my girlfriend? Please meet me at the spot. I know you're here and please don't let me down." And I'm going to the spot. Oh my gosh.
Jessie's got a boyfriend. Jessie's got a boyfriend.
Hi, Will Raffin Will. Hi. Oh my gosh.
Ow.
He's there.
Guys, sometimes it says there's a ball on. If you ever missed a ball, the ball is like right up here. Boom. It's like super awesome. Let me in.
Oh no, he's here. I'm gonna. Oh, I just said to him, I'm already there. I will come out in the meeting area, and then I will meet you. I'm just going for a shower because I can't say I'm so dusty, and I accidentally escaped the car. So I'm gonna say, I went swimming, and there was lots of dirt in the pool, and I cleaned it out. That'll be nice. Okay.
And you can't really get skateboard.
Okay, I said that.
Guys, you see that diamond I just collected? That diamond is disguised as something on the wall. It's strange.
Oh yeah. It actually is a big diamond. I got it a minute ago.
I just got it.
Yeah, but there was another one. It's misguided.
So guys, you can end this video right now. Hey, it's my job. Fang, did you just say it's my job? What are you doing there? Fang, it's actually my job, okay? You silly fish. It's my job to say this. Today, let me say it and don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. Just don't listen to them. Hey, what are you doing to her? So guys, I'm going to end this video right now when the ball's starting. That is super dumb. I need to end this video right now. I need to end this video right now. Comment down below. Comment down below if you prefer my character, as you can see, the naughty one, of course.
Oh, my character.
Or Jessie's character, that sort of lost her voice. Or Fang! I've got a very important question for you.